Alright guys, so welcome back to toysphotography. Now what I have is actually Goku flying around accompanied by Shenlong. So we're trying to make it look like as if he's flying around. So we give it like a look like try to create a look where an illusion, where Shenlong is really huge, even though he's actually rather small. So they're flying between the mountains, so you should be seeing some of the clouds. So the angle is like something like this. That's where you will see. That's the illusion that we're going for. So Shenlong is done by that. Supported by that effect at the back, and quite simple. We have a white light, and that's it. That's about it, to be honest. And that's the result, guys. Alright, see you later.